So you are the moderator.
It's recording now.
Start. Okay. Who's the moderator
Moderator of what?
of our discussion? We're gonna do some discussion about purposeful activities. You see the drawing? You see the drawing?
This one.
The drawing. No, the first page. In the first page.
The other one.
Yes. We have number 1. We have number 2. Okay. The first page. The drawing. Scroll down.
It's here. The drawing.
Yes. No. Yes. We have number 1. We have number 2.
Yeah.
Our discussion now, we're gonna do some conversion. Okay.
To make the project scope.
To make a project scope or action to improve.
Okay. Are we gonna keep the purposeful activities like this?
Okay. So we're gonna go with each point and try to discuss about it. Okay.
All right.
Enhancing interaction with the Sussex University, enhancing student interaction with the system. What do you think about this purposeful activity, and how can we form it as a scope?
What is it for?
What?
What is this purposeful activity for? With which problem?
For the first informational problem.
Please, I need you guys to make this in simpler terms in order for me to understand.
You see the description behind under the.
Yes.
شوف مش عملنا الكوميونيكيشن بروبلمز كل واحد حط
Yes.
ممكن انجي.
Yes.
Do I have to explain in English?
Yes.
Okay. So we all discussed the problems that we stated that are associated with a communication system in Sussex University, right?
Yeah.
So we figured a few points. The first point is lack of information existing. Yeah. So the first problem with the communication system is the lack of information existence. This purposeful activity is like a solution for this problem. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and so on.
Okay. So what
These
do you
are all
think?
solutions.
Yes, these are all purposeful activities means solutions.
Okay, and we are to choose one after we have this discussion. That's what you guys are saying.
No.
No,
just
we're
have
gonna
problem.
We're gonna formulate a project scope from these purposeful activities.
All of them, huh?
All
Yeah.
of them, some of them, altering them depends on our discussion.
طيب ماشي. Okay. طب so you want us to create a scope for the first solution.
No, not only the first solution.
For now.
Look, if you read the problem statement, okay. Problem statement. Can you put it in the picture? Yes. Just in the picture. The drawing. No, down. The drawing.
البني.
The last drawing in the problem statement.
الرسمة على الباك جراوند اللي لونها بني. أيوة.
Yes. Okay. So we have information, we have channel, we have time, we have receiver.
Information, channel, time, receiver.
Okay, we have 4 aspects of the problem statement. Okay. In each aspect, we have subpoints as a problem. Okay. So in information, we have key information are not provided or absent.
هذا الكلام okay. I think me and NG understand all of this.
I will try to summarize it so we have a better discussion. Okay.
خلاص.
Information, we have lack of information. We have unstable updated information. We have mistaken or false information is spread. Okay. So This is the part about information.
Mhm.
Part the channel or the way, we have lack of use of available technology or available tools. We have unstable use of communication channel. We have unclear presentation of information. We have difficulties in reaching key information. Okay? Each one of them, there is an example. In time, we have late information. We have unupdated information. In the receiver, we have unreached audience. Some information are not reached to the end customer. And we have prioritization of information based on the audience. Yani, there are some information spreaded first for the specific target, and the secondary target will spread their information later on. So we have a prioritization or sortation in the system. Okay?
Mhm.
So this is the problem statement that we have. And we have suggested 10 purposeful activities to address all these problems.
So we should choose which is the most important among them, which can be used as a.
No, we
scope
don't
for
have to limitation our scope. Scope can be wide as much as possible.
All right, then we have to choose which is the most, suitable for this our problems, like
We're gonna
according to the
discuss.
solutions.
We're gonna discuss the validation of each point.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So the first
Okay.
point we talk about the first purposeful activities. Wait a minute. Yes. It talks about a student should be more interacting with the communication system.
Which is for the first problem. The first problem we said it's key information are not provided, which means lack of information existence. So we think the solution for that is enhance student interaction within Sussex University communication system.
Okay.
All right.
Do you think there is a lack of interaction with the student?
Yes, because we came with that conclusion.
Why do you think that?
From the شو اسمه?
From
The
our
work
own
each and every
experiences.
basically from the one each and every one of us did. Okay, for example, what me and Walid had to go through with the first submission when they told us that we got the wrong information, basically.
Do you think because the communication is not interacting very well with the student, this problem happens?
Yes, it was also our professors that didn't know it. So the interaction is also between the school and the professors and the student, and the school and the students, I think.
And
so it was a miscommunication between three parties. I think it was a mail from SPRU, and it was a mail from the university as well, and the university and the professor also did not know what has to be done at that time. So yeah, it was a miscommunication at that particular time.
And how do you think we can fill this gap of communication?
I think prioritization of information, the last point, the receiver second point, like prioritization of information is necessary, because that was a very important information, and we actually lost marks because of it, didn't we? Arif?
Yes,
I mean,
that's the effect of it. It was very important. Yani.
I mean, how can a student get more involved in the communication system?
At the end of the day, we can obviously email our professors asking them whether a late submission will be accepted or not.
This is
but
one
at the end,
for a particular department where they make sure that the information is reached to the right person at the right time.
Yeah, at this point, I don't think us as students we should find a way for us to interact more, because the information was given, but it was wrong. There was no.
That's why we think
there is a difference between lack of information existence and the mistaken information. These are
okay. Yeah.
what I'm trying to do, if you read the last sentence, the first point, enhancing student interaction with the system from a student club or student union, those entities that can fill this gap. They try to have some common grounds with the media center and the student, because I think one of the focus of communication system is towards the faculty and the professors, because they are the conveyor of the modules, and they have some key aspects or key information to deliver to them. But student is the product of the system. So
خلاص, okay, yeah. So we went off topic a bit now. That's okay.
You understand? I want to have, like, I think this project is a student point of view.
Okay,
And
so it's
I think that the system is more focused to the professors or the faculty more than the students. Therefore, there is a lack of information or absent of information that the student gets from the system.
Information existence.
Yes. This is my idea. I'm not sure. The problem is how to scope it, how to make it applicable. This is just a purposeful activities, but how to make it applicable in terms of as a scope or an action. How to make it an action.
It's you said it yourself. Like create a student clubs or student union that can fill the gap.
no, student union already exists. The thing says enhance interaction with the system.
Try to enhance the performance of the student union or student club.
Yeah, it's a separate committee just for the information system, or
advertise
like
it
that.
more. Advertise it more that if students need any help, they can ask whoever is in the union or in the club.
It's not about asking. It's how to provide it before, even before asking.
It's already there. The student union exists.
I'm not sure. I'm not saying that it's not existing. I'm sure that their role or their performance is a bit under.
With more enhanced.
Okay.
So it can be
Okay,
only happen.
so
It can only happen if somebody else is monitoring it or somebody else is pressurizing it from somewhere else, right?
okay, so are you saying provide training مثلا for the people working in the student union?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes.
Training center or by the university or something like that.
A performance after every performance check after every month.
Yeah, a review
for people,
or something like that.
Or set KPIs.
Who?
Set KPIs.
What's KPI?
Key performance indicators.
Okay.
Set KPIs for the student union to have more interactions with the. Okay, so we have first action. Okay, we have good.
Somebody. I have another suggestion, like somebody who takes the complaints and suggestions more seriously among the student union or committee or somebody like that.
Increase the pay.
Yeah, somebody who's responsible for it, or somebody who we know who can,
creating
we know
a
is responsible.
communication channel from student to the.
No, I'm talking about a separate communication channel. Yeah.
Yes,
a single person can be ahead of it, where complaints can go to it, or he or she is monitoring the system.
Yes.
At all times.
So you want a very effective communication channel from student to the university.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's very good point.
This person can be chosen by vote, or it can be done by
student union.
Yeah. But a separate channel, like a separate club kind of a thing.
Okay. We have the first action. Good. So the second purposeful activity, test the capacity of Sussex University Media Center. Yeah.
This
the second one.
associated with a problem lack of information consistency.
As we discussed across.
Well, I have an idea for this, guys. Like, why don't we create a small event of a small group of number of people, maybe 100, 200 people, and see how it is done, or whether it's controllable or not by the current situation or current number of staff they have, then act accordingly. Maybe, I'm just saying.
How can you test that your employees are overloaded or underloaded?
It depends on the type of event you're conducting. It could be anything. It could be a charity event, or it could be a festival or anything. Like if you're able to do it according.
If you are a manager, how to test that your employees are overloaded or underloaded?
What?
What do you suggest?
I mean, for example, if I am a student, okay, I am a student right now, right? To be
I
overloaded,
understand your question.
I have 10 assignments in one semester. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what are I am measuring my load in terms of assignments. Okay. How can I measure the capacity of information center or media center and see whether they are overloaded or underloaded in terms of work?
I understand your question.
You didn't understand?
I do understand your question. I do understand the question, but what is the solution that you propose?
We have seen a problem, okay, that there is an unstable way of spreading the information.
Okay.
This instability means there is a problem in the capacity.
Okay.
Okay. The problem with the capacity, two, either you have untrained employee, okay, or you have overload that employees try to eliminate some parts they didn't think they are important. For example, NG, you have 10 assignments this semester.
Yes.
Maybe you're gonna do good in one or two assignments. The other assignment will be not that good. Okay? So you have unstable performance.
All right.
So this is the idea: how to test the capacity or the load.
You're not understanding me. I totally understand your question. I'm asking a solution which you propose. Like, what is your idea? I'm asking your point of view.
I'm trying to have a discussion. I think there is a measurement on what are the
progress of every individual per day, for example, and you want to see if they're too much or too low to see.
Per day is that I don't think it's that. I mean, how many instructions or a campaign? Look, in each media center, they have set of information they want to spread. Okay. For example, there is public statements. There is some instructions of international students. There is some instructions about local students. There are so many envelope they have to cover, and the information they have to travel from to the students, okay, or the staff. For example, we have a new policy in terms of grading the assignments. Like now we have the safety net, okay? How to publish this information? It has to go with the media center, right? So this is a load for the media center have to perform. How to test the capacity?
Do you want is a way to test it if to see if by the end of the month the employees are reaching their goal or not reaching their goal, and according to that you can see if there is an overload or underload in the media center? Is that a possible way, or am I off topic?
you are on the right topic and not off the topic. But
Okay.
what I'm trying to, I've never heard that, but we have a clear limitation because this project is from student point of view. Okay, so we are not covering what are the information they transfer to faculties, or they what are information they try to separate to staff or the professors or anyone. Okay, or a scholarship provider, for example. So all of these entities, okay, we are not covering it. So we are not well aware of how much load there is.
Okay. طيب. Okay, I understand.
But أخيرا يا وليد صح عليك. طيب, okay. I'm trying to have like a brainstorm idea. Do you have anything to how to measure their performance?
My idea was to conduct a small kind of a assignment to see the work pressure the current staff can handle and act accordingly.
You mean
But
survey?
Yeah, it's maybe a small kind of assignment, any kind of assignment.
A survey
conducted by-
is a good idea.
Yeah, a small kind of assignment where your current staff can do and try to assess what is their capacity and how much they can do with the workforce which you have currently. That
Okay,
was what I was trying to implement.
what NJ's نقطة NJ I was speaking Arabic just to هذا نقطة NJ is تعطيهم task مثلا للي شغالين بالميديا سنتر و based on their answer to this task you will see whether they are under capacity or over capacity. Am I right?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
you have
Yeah, but a survey would be a very nice option.
Yeah, survey.
Asking the detailed questions, whether how much work, how much emails you're sending to students. Survey only regarding the communication with the media center and the students only.
Why is
Yeah.
that? Why limitation the student?
No, you just said it. We don't care about.
No. We care, but we have limitation. I mean,
We don't know
we are just
what kind of. Yeah, we don't know what kind of information is sent between the media center and the professors, and it does not.
No. We care. عارف. I'll try to speak it in Arabic so you understand. إن نهتم في الموضوع هذا، بس إن عشان طلاب الآن وجالسين إن نتناقش إن الأربعة نسوي المشروع هذا، عندنا حدود إن ما نقدر مثلا نطلب من قاري ولا أي دكتور بالله عطنا الإيميلات حقك خلينا نشوف رسائلك، ولا بزنس سكول نقول بالله خلينا نشوف أرسلت وش ما أرسلت. فهمت؟
Okay. Yes. Okay.
So
what is your answer then to your question? Why are we giving them so this is the limitations. This is their limitations basically.
Yeah. So when they are grading our project, they know that we have a limitation. That we are discussing this from student point of view.
Yes. Okay.
But survey is very good idea.
I think خلاص it's the survey is the answer, but we just need to understand what to write and what the limitations of this actual survey is.
Okay, what are the information you want from the survey?
Let me read the purposeful activity one more time. As we discussed, more information.
If there is an overall satisfaction by the students about the information consistency, and
Okay.
if the staff are overloaded with work.
Okay.
And
Wait. The first question you just asked, Walid, is asked to the questions, to the students.
Yeah.
Is the survey given to the students or given to the media center?
All whom are concerned.
Oh, okay, nice. I didn't know. Okay. What's your second point? You were saying something.
I forgot.
Yeah.
Student satisfaction is number one. Number two, you said is to ask whether the staff is overcapacitated or not.
Overloaded.
Overloaded. Sorry.
So if they're not overloaded, like if they don't do too much work, sorry, if they are overloaded, the university has to employ more people.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we will not do the questionnaire for the survey. However, we're gonna list some about this survey. Okay. Should we do another Zoom meeting because this one will end in 5 minutes?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, Walid, try to save this recording if it's possible. I don't know how.
Me neither. How do I do it?
I think it will save automatically. You have an account on Zoom, right?
Stop sharing. Yee. Pause recording, stop recording.